Now we begin to test the air tightness. To start vacuuming, the pressure needs to reach -20. The pressure has been reached, and the pressure is maintained. The phone does not leak air. Remove the bottom screw. Now we start heating. Count down for 2 minutes. Heating is complete. We put down the suction cup. This knob has torque. Slowly lift the screen. Now the screen is open. Put on the electrostatic bracelet and start to disassemble the screen. Remove the battery and clean up the remaining battery tape. Then we clean up the remaining waterproof adhesive. We also clean up the remaining waterproof adhesive on the screen. Remove the ribbon cable. The high-capacity cell of the 13 ProMax is 4650 mA. Then we weld it together. We use laser spot welding method. The welding is completed. Now we wrap the ribbon cable. The battery has been processed. Next, we put this original battery tape on it. Use an original old battery to turn it on. Tap the window to clear the phone's memory of the previous battery. Let's check the important battery information displayed. After installing, we'll place the transplant battery in the pressing tool. Then press it back and forth 3 times. Next, we will stick the original waterproof adhesive on it. The original waterproof adhesive should have waterproof and dustproof properties. Next, we start installing the screen. Next, we'll perform the second pressure maintenance for the adhesive. After installing the screen, we need to perform another pressure maintenance. We test the airtightness of the phone again. Check whether the waterproof and dustproof function has been restored. The pressure is reached, and the countdown begins. The mobile phone has recovered its airtightness and has the waterproof and dustproof performance of the original factory. Now let's turn on the phone and check the health of the battery. Battery's health cannot be modified above 11 series. After battery cell replacement. And the charging times cannot be reset. So, when using it for the first time, we need to fully charge the battery to 100%. And charge it for 1 more hour. And then use it until it shuts down. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. And the battery should be stable. Look, it also supports fast charging.